Welcome to Hoover Home. We're going to help you get the most out of your new Hoover FloorMate Hard Floor Cleaner. This series of videos is designed to guide you through how to put it together, and then we'll walk you through the basics, and even some advanced tips on how to use it. And we'll show you how to take care of it so it cleans great for years to come. If you've never used a FloorMate before, you're not going to believe how much gunk it picks up from your floor. It's got your patented SpinScrub Brushes, designed to do that hands and knees caliber cleaning on surfaces from ceramic tile and vinyl to marble and sealed hardwood, and dual tank technology that ensures your clean and dirty water never mix. And for those really tough spots, we've added this Clean Boost control that applies an extra shot of cleaning solution where you need it most. If you have any questions, hopefully you'll find the answers right here. But if for any reason you still have questions, feel free to reach out on Facebook or Twitter. And of course, you can always give us a call. Now, let's get started.